Okay, so back with decimal multiplication, problem type 2. Pretty much the same as the last video. Let's see. Alrighty, so we're just going to multiply as if these were regular numbers and then add the decimal in the appropriate spot at the end. 9 times 5 is 45, carry the 4. 9 times 0 is 0, plus 4 is 4. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 6 is 54. We're moving over a spot, so we need to add a 0 to move us to the tens place. 4 times 5 is 20, carry the 2. 4 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 6 is 24. You can already tell I'm going to have to move this whole problem to the side because it's too big. Okay. Alright, we need 2 decimal places now because we are in what would be the hundreds place with our multiplication. If there were no decimal, 3 times 5 is 15. Carry the 1. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 6 is 18. We add these things up. Carry the 1. And I forgot to estimate. Let's do that now. 6 times 35. 6 times 30 is 180. 6 times 5 is 30. That together makes 210. My answer should be close to 210. It is not. My answer right now is 2,095,745. That's because we've got some decimal places to deal with. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 total digits behind the decimal. In our original problem, we need 4 digits behind the decimal in this problem. So again, you could put this in Wolfram or a calculator, but it's important to be able to estimate these to say, hey, yeah, my answer is reasonable. That makes sense. I didn't punch a number wrong in the calculator or something. And we're moving on. Okay. 6.705. Scoot this over. 6.705 times 30.5. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2. 5 times 0 is 0. Plus 2 is 2. 5 times 7 is 35. Carry the 3. 5 times 6 is 30. Plus 3 is 33. We're moving over a spot, so we need a 0 as a placeholder. 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 7 is 0. 0 times 6 is 0. We're moving over another spot, so we need 2 decimal places. We're going to what would have been the hundreds place if there was no decimal here. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry the 1. 3 times 0 is 0. Plus 1 is 1. 3 times 7 is 21. Carry the 2. 3 times 6 is 18. Plus 2 is 20. Forgot to estimate again. I have 6.7, which is almost 7, times 30. That's about 210 as my estimate. We're going to find out how close, if our answer could possibly make sense here. 0, carry the 1, 3, 4, 5, 4, 0, 2. And so that does not look anything like 210. Let's count the decimal places that we've got. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 digits after the decimal there. So we need 4 digits after the decimal in our answer, which gives us 204.5025. And that's reasonably close to 210, and that is a correct answer. Okay, we have 0.675 times 50.9. 0.675, I'm just going to round it up to 1 times 50. Gives us 50. Our answer should be somewhere probably less than 50, but close to 50. 9 times 5 is 45. Carry the 4. 63 plus 4 is 67. Carry the 6. 54 plus 6 is 60, carry the 6. 9 times 0 is 0, plus 6 is 6. We're moving over a spot, so we need a 0 for a placeholder. 0 times 5 is 0, 0 times 7 is 0, 0 times 6 is 0, 0 times 0 is 0. We need 2 zeros to move us into the hundreds place. 5 times 5 is 25, carry the 2. 35, 36, 37, carry the 3. 33, carry the 3. 5 times 0 is 0, plus 3 is 3. So we have 5, a 7, a 5, 13, carry the 1, there's a 4, and there's a 3. And as we can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 digits after the decimal. We need 4 digits after the decimal there. 34 is pretty close to 50, so I'm confident that we're probably correct with our answer there, 34.3575. Alrighty, that's it for this video.